Hi, my name's Marietta Mahoney, and this week we're doing an aqua tip using the aqua belt. Now, you might be thinking, well, why do you need the belt? You're standing in water. Like, I don't really need to have the belt on here. But do you know how you have situations where you have pools that are like sloped on an angle, and like a lot of the pools I work at are like this, right? They're sloped on an angle, and you get them to do a traveling move, and then once you get to the shallow end where they can actually touch the bottom, it becomes a little bit useless, and then you got to quickly turn them around, or the turning circle is so tight that's not easy to get them to turn around. So I like to have little moves that I can do, sort of like to act like turning circles, so they're not trying to take a really wide turning circle, that they can do on the spot and easily turn around. And this is one of those moves. So I have the belt on, and I am in shallow water, so that I can still lift my feet up off the bottom, but I'm going to be doing like a jogging motion. Now, a jogging motion, but with a little bit of panache. Come on, let's go. We can't just do this. We all know how to do jogging in the pool, but that's not that exciting. So I do a little rhythm. I do a little cha-cha rhythm. So I go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Push, push, bam, bam, bam. Push, push, bam, bam, bam. Push, push, da, da, da. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. And then I'm off ready to go to my next destination, for example. So if I'm traveling up and down the pool, I might be traveling doing like, big straight leg kicks. And once you get down to the shallow end, that's a little bit, well, it's hazardous because the bottom of the pool's right there, right? So you want something that will get them to turn around. This is just a little bit of fun. So 1, 2, quick, quick, quick. 1, 2, quick, quick, quick. Front, 2, quick, quick, quick. Front, 2, quick, quick, quick. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. And now let's go down to the opposite side of the pool. Got it? Got it? But it can also be something that you just do on the spot. You could put a part of some choreography that you might have with your class. So 1, 2, quick, quick, quick. And then they turn. Then go the other way. Heart rate goes up with that because you're going slow and fast, and you want to get the fast. You don't want to be like, it's all the same tempo. Slow, slow, quick, quick, quick. It elevates people's heart rates when you start changing speeds. You're playing around with inertia there. And just getting them to turn around really quick, like they're ballroom dancers, right? 1, 2, quick, quick, quick. But here's another thing I would also suggest. So if you get them to go around like that in a circle, for example, I was leading with my right arm, so I was going 1, 2, quick, quick, quick. 1, 2, quick, quick, quick. It made sense for me to go 1, 2, quick, quick, quick. 1, 2, quick, quick, quick. Turn to my right. 1, 2, quick, quick, quick. 1, 2, quick, quick, quick. 1, 2, quick, 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 etc. Then if I want to go around to my left, you sort of want to change the arm, the leading arm that goes forward first. So it goes 1, 2, quick, quick, quick. So you might need to do something that actually gets them to change arms, for example. Now it could be anything. For example, you might get them back to facing forwards. You do a one-arm cross-country ski with one arm, then you get them to switch hands, and then it becomes, that's your left hand. 1, 2, quick, quick, quick. 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 2, quick, quick, quick. 2, quick, quick, quick. Left, right, ba, ba, ba. Right, left, ba, ba, ba. Back to the front, da, da, da. Cross-country ski with your left hand. Feet off the bottom of the pool. Now switch hands, right hand. And now start the whole jogging, sequence and turning the other way. So I want to share some little combinations that I like to use in classes. And you're always thinking about the transition because you want it to be seamless. You want it to be easy for people to pick up, but still require them to work. Anyway, hope you like trying that out yourself in the water and giving it to your participants. It can work in shallow and it can work in deep water. I've got a buoyancy belt which helps me stay afloat, and that's this week's Aqua tip. Demonstrating the jog slow, quick, or what I call the cha-cha jog, is something that's not difficult to do on pool deck, because basically you're sort of just lifting your knees up and using your arms like this. So it's not a very challenging activity to do. But what I do recommend that you do is that you learn to do mirror imaging. Right and left makes a big difference here. And for your participants, it's best if they think about the same side of the body as you. So that means that when I'm facing my class, I'm actually using my left arm because it's their right arm, right? Now, when we do the jog and we want them to turn around, remember what I said when I was in the pool? It's best to use your right arm and turn right. So when you use your right arm, it's easier to turn right. Now there's a couple of ways of demonstrating this. So the first thing is you just want them to get into that pattern. Yeah. And what you could do momentarily is have your back to the class, so you're saying this arm. So I want that arm to go forwards with me. So let's see if we can all do this together. Slow, quick, slow, quick. And then when you're ready, and it might be that point in the music where you've got this choreograph, you're going to ask them to turn to their right. So they're all going to face in that direction. Association is really important here. So if you've got a deep end and a shallow end, or you've got this entrance and maybe the exit, or maybe you have, face the pool equipment on this end, face the lane ropes on that end, whatever it is, association is a very powerful communication tool for your participants to be able to identify which way they're supposed to face, as well as turning right and left. But remember, you won't turn right when you've got your right arm going. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then turn to the right. Yeah, so that the right arm's leading when they turn to their right. Now, when they turn around to face the back, okay, so they're facing away from you, it's not smart as an instructor to be still teaching while they're all facing the opposite way. So I get them to turn, but I then turn around so I'm facing them. I syncopate my hands, I clap, so that's easier for them to hear, and then I say turn again to your right, and I'm facing the same way as them, okay? So I'm facing the same way as them, but I'm still leading with my left arm, yep, and then I'm turning around to face them. Remember, when they get back to here, if you want to switch arms, it's very hard to, you can't sort of switch arms, go stop, now switch arms. Do something like a cross-country ski, for example, where they're part of using that same right arm. Excellent. Now switch arms. This is now your leading arm. So now you do cross-country ski with your left arm before you start the jog syncopation again, indicating which arm that you want them to move. And then you ask them to turn to their left or turn to the point that you've made an association to before. So not a hard one to demonstrate from pool deck, but it is going to challenge your teaching and your instruction as an instructor. Something you might want to practice and get really comfortable with, because I think that just takes your instruction to another level. And that is this week's Aqua tip.